today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, after watching this video, you will either say, wow, this guy's a genius, or this guy's completely crazy. Let's get straight into it. And guys, I don't know if you understand, but this, I uploaded a short before on YouTube. This dump is amazing, basically. It is huge opportunity. I want to share with you how I was using bear markets and dumps to create all the profits I made in my life, or at least almost all of them. Right now, when Bitcoin is crashing, this is the bull season for Bitcoin. Right now, when altcoins are crashing like crazy, altcoin season is at least on the horizon. You think that sounds crazy? Listen, guys, hear me out, please. So, if you are going and watching my content throughout the last 8 years, you do remember that I had these legendary trades, these biggest trades on YouTube, right? Like this one here, for example, which is still open. I took 14 million US dollars over the course of the last few months in profits, just before the big dump, remaining just 2.4 million US dollars in this trade. Just recently, in the last video, you can watch it, we predicted, actually 5-6 days ago, we predicted this dump down from 98,000 down to 82,000. People called me crazy. Well, what if this dump is not only something necessary to happen? What if this dump creates a huge opportunity for us to make significant profits? When other people are fearful, you need to be greedy. And these trades, which I'm showing you here, I did the same thing in the last bull cycle. I did the same thing in the one before. I'm doing it every single time. This is in fact what I'm known for. But do you think I am opening these big long positions on Bitcoin when we are in the depth of the bull market, when everyone is bullish? No. I am opening them when everyone is screaming, when there's blood on the streets. This is when the opportunity opens up. In fact, the same thing works for altcoins. It's just a little bit more risky there. But altcoins are not now, not yet, guys, relax. But in a bear market, in the depth of the bear market, they are being sold off like crazy. And I'm talking about the more valuable ones, things like BNB, Solana. You can get them at a huge discount. And with altcoins, it's same like with real estate, right? Your profits are made in your purchase, not when you sell. You make the biggest profits in the moment you purchase them on a huge discount. So the same thing goes for my trade, and I will open the next legendary trade for Bitcoin in the depth of this crisis. And there will always be one narrative which makes people believe that we are going lower. Last time it was the exchanges, FTX going down, Black Swan event, we will see zero. This time it is most likely quantum computing or some other BS. Actually, people will come up with to create a narrative that Bitcoin goes to zero. I in fact made a video about quantum computing and the impact of that. It is also here on this channel. You can watch it. It's a short form video where I'm explaining that actually quantum computing will eventually not be a threat. Yes, it will create a huge dump, but this is further out in the future. Anyways, don't fear quantum computing in terms of fundamental values for Bitcoin, because they will not change, and I explained that in that video. Anyways, so what I will do is I want to tell you exactly how I want to open this new legendary trade. Whenever Bitcoin goes below 80,000 US dollars, I will open my first long position for Bitcoin. I might get liquidated on that one. I don't care, right? I don't care. By the way, if we are seeing a pump, this also can be just a dead cat bounce. Just be very careful now in the next few days. But I don't care if I get liquidated. I open the exact same moment I get liquidated or stopped out at the liquidation price. I'll probably put a stop loss order because it just saves me fees. I'll open a new one. If I get liquidated again, I don't care. The last cycle I got liquidated 2 or 3 times before I eventually hit the bottom in November 2022 at 17,000 US dollars. So if I get liquidated 5 times, 6 times, I don't care. Eventually I hit the bottom. Once I do, I scale up as we break up higher. It's a very easy game plan. I'm doing this every single bear market. I create these long positions and then eventually I hit the bottom. It's actually easy if you listen to it like this and keep the trade open for 3-4 years just to make back 50 times of what I lost with these previous liquidations. So here you know it. This is why I think this dump, this bear market is a huge opportunity. If you like these kind of different videos, let me know in the comment section down below if you want more of them. And I wanted to urge you, to literally urge you, if you haven't already, these dumps are not just an opportunity to make a lot of money, but also to work on your health, to subscribe to my health channel. I just uploaded a video about the unbelievable impact of eating 4 eggs every single day. What would happen if you ate 4 eggs every single day? Link in the pinned comment, watch the video, subscribe to my health channel, and we are going to see you very soon at the next of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.